This is some beautiful country in here. We're almost to the North Carolina border in Alabama, and it's pretty through here. There's some hills and switchbacks down there. Wouldn't want to say switchbacks. Curvy road, but not real tight switchbacks on this road. This is evidently Highway 48. But it's pretty. This whole area up through here has been pretty. A lot of pine trees, a lot of oak trees. It almost looks like home. Taking Cricket out here to go potty. And one thing about this dog, you gotta watch him. Look there, he's trying to eat dandelion. He'll eat anything. He'll grab cigarette butts. He'll eat them. I mean, you gotta watch everything because he just got the dandelion. He'll eat anything that he sees. So he'll find people's bubble gum, eat trash. It doesn't matter what it is. Rocks. Hey, you got the string between your legs there, knucklehead. Come here. Come here, boy. He went pee already. So far, our trailer has been doing wonderful. I love the trailer. The new IRC tires I put on there, they're doing good. The bike pulls it like no problem at all. I mean, yes, you can tell it's back there a little bit, but because I know it, I guess. But it pulls real good. I mean, yes, I would rather ride without the trailer, but with the trailer, it's still doable, no problem. Put my shades back on. Hey, no, no. No, I don't know what that is. It's somebody threw out a piece of bread or something. No, look at him. Well, he's wanting that. No, you can't have that. That's nasty. He's got ants on it. He'll even eat ants. He don't care. The dog just any kind of bugs. So we are in Georgia, you lovely peach. We're on Highway 27. It says on here we're in the Chattahoochee National Forest. Way down yonder on the Chattahoochee. It gets hotter than a hoochie coochie. Yeah. Highway 1 also, I guess. I guess we're supposed to be doing 65. Two hours and 32 minutes from our campsite. We're on Highway 156 East. There's a milk barn over there, our old milk barn. We have been seeing some chicken houses even through Alabama and through Georgia. So they're not just around our area, they're over here too. And they smell the same. They smell like chicken crap. It's funny how that don't change. Okay, so we're about 14 miles from the Blue Ridge. We're already getting into the mountains. You can see them up here. Pretty sweet. Looks kind of smoky looking. But it's going to be, our campground's about 57 miles away, so we're going to be a little bit into it to when we get to our campground. Kind of not my choice of road here, this 4-lane, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. A lot of traffic on this road. Highway 5 and 76, I guess. And 515 too. All of them. So, anyway, we'll probably get into the better stuff here in a little while. Once we get past all this junk. Found a camp spot up there. Hopefully it's a good one. We have no idea. We never know what we're getting ourselves into. when we get a campground, we just have to hope for the best. Okay, we are 4.7 miles from the campground. Should be Jack Rabbit Road. I don't know what that town was. Did you pay attention? We're still in Georgia, but we're awful close to the North Carolina border. Awful close. North
Carolina.
We have made it to North Carolina. Just barely into it. That's a pretty place, no doubt. Ho hum. That says Jackrabbit left right here. I'm jacking around, not even paying attention. Hang on. Yeah, you never know what we're going to get into. End of road work. We just turned on this road. Okay. Must be not too far from the lake. We're only 1.5 miles to the campground. It's crazy on these campgrounds. You look at them, some of them have horrible reviews on the campsite. Some of them have amazing reviews on the same campsite. So who do you believe? Of course, there's some people, you know, they go and get a campsite and whatever they get, and they're just never happy with nothing. It doesn't matter what they get, they're never happy. So you can't please everybody, I guess. Visitor info, check-in time. Where do we check in at? See host upon arrival. That's the host. Host on duty. Let's just pull over right here. Is that a guy? I thought it was a girl. Are you the host on duty? You're the one we're looking for. So we are in the camp area. Oops, gosh, there's a bump there. And now these are non-electric this time, so hopefully we can find some sun and we can take the solar panel and charge our portable power station that will power our little mini fridge that we have. There's a lot of empty spots here. Probably so. Yeah, this is Friday, so probably so. Look at that one down there. 76, 78, right here. Holy cow! What is this? A sidewalk? We're going down the sidewalk. No, this ain't a sidewalk. This is our spot. See the camp hooks here? This ain't so bad. We'll shut her off here. I don't ever guess I ever had one that close to a bathroom, but
Hey, works. We was hoping for that.
well, it's getting a little toward evening here. Look at that. We got our blanket on, and you got the dog just to keep you warm, huh?
Yep. Then we were sitting here watching a video.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, we had a fire. Of course, it's about burned out. That one big stick of wood there. We had some little stuff too, but had it going good for a little while. So we got the tent all set up. We're not even going to eat supper tonight. Don't even feel like eating. We ate a late lunch, so got the bike covered up. Ready to go. I packed most stuff away in the trailer at night, then I can lock it up, so it's a good thing to do and keep everything out where nobody pilfers anything, especially the coons pilfering through it, because them darn coons will. But anyway, we got a pretty nice camp spot here. No electric, but I do have the fridge in there in that mess. It's kind of a mess in there. We just, after we take everything out, set the thing up, we just kind of throw stuff back in there, and then when we get done here, we organize it all back up. So you can see my fridge is running 39 degrees. I'm charging that helmet too right now. 39 degrees right now. Blue Eddy's right down there. I actually charged the Blue Eddy earlier on that solar panel. But anyway, everything's still kind of packed up. We're getting ready to hit the sack here in a little bit. It's gonna get cool tonight, I know that for sure. But we did get us some new mattress pads, and these things they're REI co-op also. They're super. We had Arab ones, so you can see. I'll go in here and show you. But we had Arab ones, and oh my gosh, worthless things. Always going flat. This is REI co-op camp bed. Self-inflating pad. They're actually foam inside this thing. With foam inside it, and you just open a little valve on the end and it self-inflates itself. Roll it back up, fits in bags, and that's all there is to it. They was so comfortable last night. Way better than the air mattress. There's Cricket's little bed in the corner. Got our backpacks in here with our clothes in it, our Nelson Rigg backpacks. That we keep our clothes in that so they stay dry. Keep this thing always zipped in case there is any mosquitoes. I haven't noticed any here, but if there is any, we don't want them getting in the tent for sure. So he's barking at people. That's Cricket. He sees people and he wants to bark at them. So you can see we are right by the bathrooms. But I guess it's close if you need to use the bathroom or take a shower. So anyway, guys, we are going to finish packing all this stuff up. So I got that where I can just kind of close it with everything in it, my rock straps. But that's what our camp looks like tonight.